Welcome back, man. Non-consensual towing. It's what we do. We're pulling in right now. We got some kind of impound. I gotta go figure this out. Figure out what they want towed. But they've got something they called in. It's supposed to be a hot impound. So we're gonna figure this out and see where it's at. Could be a fire lane or it could be a handicap spot. I just don't know. I'm gonna walk in here in the office. We're gonna see what's up. Anyway, I found out what we're towing. This big van right here. It's looks like it's parked at some kind of a visitor parking. Anyway, that van was parked in a visitor parking spot for months. Anyway, it got caught up because they're doing they're repaving this property. It got caught up, man. This van needed to be towed a long time ago. Dude, I'm over here pumping some fuel, man. I noticed this guy over here. He looks like he's hanging his head over. It looks like he's down and out. And this happens a lot with me, man. I see people that are down and out, man. I feel like I need to say something to them, do something for them. But I'm gonna go over here and do what I do, man. People don't like these videos when I put it on here, show me help people. But I don't care what people think about it. This is what I do. I've been doing it for years. It so happens I got a little bit more cash now than I had before. But I'm gonna break that. I'm gonna buy that guy lunch, man. Give him something to eat, man. Give him a little cash. He's sitting over there. Go look out for him. Ran inside to get him something to drink, something to eat, man. I told him to go eat, man. Feel better. Yeah, he's definitely down and out, man. He was very appreciative of it. You don't never know where somebody's been or what kind of situation they're going through, but you see him out there like that. He might be strung out. You can't never tell. He might not be. Might just be somebody hit a run of bad luck, man. And I've caught a lot of criticism, and putting these little episodes on my channel of me helping people. But at the end of the day, man, this is reality, man. I'm not doing it for clicks, man. I do this because it's what I do. We just pulled up on this property. I got to go in here and get some kind of information. She's got something she wants towed. So we're gonna figure out what they want to tow. Anyway, stay tuned. There was a couple of shootings a while back on this property. Somebody asked, well, one of them was out front of the property and right across the street. Another one Another one was actually on this property. Somebody got shot and killed on this property a couple of months back. Which, you know, I put this stuff in here in my videos. A lot of people don't want to hear about the crime, but it's what I do, man. I pull up in these properties, but it's important that I know the property, know my area really well. And if there's gang activity on the property, man, I need to have a vest on, man. These people ain't, they're not, you know, they're not beating people up, man. They're shooting people. So that's why I put it in on my channel, because it's just part of the job. It adds context to the channel, and it's real. It's just what it is, man. Anyway, that was see how much dirt I got on my face. That was one particular car that everybody that works on the property were not happy about, and those are the ones you got to get if you're a tow guy. I don't care if it's a more confrontational tow. You got to get the ones they want the worst. You can't just go can't always go grab an abandoned car that ain't been moved in a year. Sometimes you got to get those hot ones, and that's what we did. We got a hot one, and that's why I rolled to the yard. I was going to try to do a double run, but being this one was double violation and they want it gone, it's going all the way to the yard. This was one that belonged to a maintenance man. Matter of fact, I already hooked this car before, and he chased me off the property. Anyway, we got that Camaro loaded up. We're gonna head to the yard. Talk to that manager again. They just took over this property. They've got the management company right here has got. What's up? Say what? Oh yeah. Well, listen, that manager, hey, that guy that just left, told me to get that Camaro out of here.
I don't know who, nobody ain't told you to get that Camaro out of here. You won't even have a job no when you touch that Camaro, because here's your boss man. The blue Camaro is not to be touched. You need to get him on the phone right now. Well, you won't be, I run this property here.
That's not blue. That's not the blue one.
Huh?
That's not the blue one.
It has a blue top. It had a blue top.
I had a blue top, but yeah.
Tarp, yeah. It had a blue tarp on it.
Okay.
That was never to be touched.
Okay. Well, listen, as far as me losing my job, I'm not going to lose my job.
No, you won't lose your job.
I'm not going to lose my job over nothing.
He won't be working out here.
Listen, we got this car. I mean, we just got this right here. See this list right here?
I just talked to you. I was just out here with him.
Well, the guy that's running the property up front, the manager.
No, I run the guy. He's just in temporary.
Okay.
Hold up, let me call you.
So you're the maintenance guy, right?
Yeah.
You're the head maintenance guy. Okay. Well, why didn't you tell him or take it off the list?
Yeah, it shouldn't have been. Because I talked to him. He's the one.
Yeah, that's a junk car, man. It's trash in it.
That's not a junk car. That car is already I promise. We find your boss man in here.
I believe you. I mean, I believe you talked to him. I ain't gonna dispute that.
He had specifics. Specifics. Not that everyone that knows you, they know that my car. So I put a blue tarp on it.
Yeah.
Just because of that. You know, if that was still out here. What's so I can pull this text up?
Listen, man, the guy in the front office, man.
He don't work. He's not out. He's temporary.
I know he's temporary, man. Yeah, call him. He told me that Camaro's got to go. Call him, man. He said Camaro's got to go. I told him there's a Camaro with this no tag on it. He said, man, that Camaro's got to go.
Because he don't work. He's out here for today till 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Compensator.
He said he's a traveling guy, but.
Yeah, no, I run this property. He don't run this property.
Yeah. Well, he manages. You a manager or you supervisor?
I supervise the property. We don't have a manager. So
okay.
Okay. He don't have.
Well, somebody sent him over here. Let me
call your boss guy. Let me call.
Hey, listen. Hey, let me pull right here in the middle. That way we're not blocking the road. Pull. I ain't gonna take off. I ain't like that.
Let me call him.
Okay. Yeah, man. Come on, man. Get the hell out of here. This Camaro, it's a bad one. Anyway, this guy, maintenance guy, tell you what they got. The guy we're told for is somebody new. This came into property. I think he's the guy that sent over here to clean the property up. Anyway, long story short, they're claiming that this car I got on the back, they had talked to y'all about not towing it. Somebody about not towing it.
Yeah, my car's on the back now. So.
Yeah, but I mean, they just told Sharia because we have to leave.
Y'all gone?
Yeah, see, it's not highlighted right here.
Yeah, I wouldn't have told him to highlight because I talked to the guy. I talked to the
It's not highlighted to not tow.
Let me call him. Yeah, I know, yeah. No, he said a guy
anyway, I'll figure this. I'll figure it out.
Take my car. This is what he said. He said a guy specifically told him to take the car. You said what now? No sticker. I already talked to him. No, it didn't have a sticker. He said somebody told him to take the car.
No, it had a sticker on it, man. We got pictures in the office.
No, I took the sticker because, I took the sticker.
Yeah, it had a sticker, man. I mean, I'm not trying to dispute the situation.
I got his, 397, I'm with him now. 397-6776. 397-6776. 397-6776.
Hey, let's go back to the office. Let's go up there and talk to him up there.
I'm calling. Yeah, I want you to hear him, so he'll let you know that Camaro wasn't supposed to be touched. I thought I didn't take it off there because I thought. I don't think he knew the Camaro. No, he knew the Camaro because he just needed to pick up the phone. Yeah, he knows the Camaro because before he.
What's going on?
He said somebody told him. One of y'all jumped around and told this man to take this car.
No, the guy in the office, I told him, I specifically said I'm coming back for the Camaro with the tarp on it. He said, man, that Camaro's got to go. He don't work. I know, but see, and that's how I was told. But at the same time, from his point of view, he didn't know it was your car, and it's in piss poor condition. No, man. I mean, hey, be real, man. I do this for a living, bro. That car is the kind of cars we tow. That cars that look like that got stuff piled inside the car. It don't run. It's inoperable. That's what we tow. Yeah, right. So from my standpoint, I'm just towing a car that I was supposed to tow, and I understand if you talk to him and you had authorization to be here. I understand that, but hey, these lists are what we go off of. If you would have, hey, you work for the office, you could have went in there and said, "Do not tow," and mark the list and not tow it. Right. That's what you should have done to keep me from getting it.
Yeah, what I did.
Because if you mark something, I'm not gonna touch it, man. I don't even look at it. I don't even look at it.
They knew it. Though. They didn't change it because I told them that it was already taken care of because I talked to the guy. He's over here for the business. Yeah. So I told him I'm gonna put a blue tarp over it.
Yeah.
Showed him my car.
Well, see, the blue tarp blew off of it. It blew off. So it wasn't. It was the blue tarp was hanging off in the grass. It blew off.
I had a brick on the top of it. Yeah, yeah. But either way, we'll figure it out.
If you want to pull back to the office, but I'm
Yeah, let's pull back. Let's pull back to the office. Let's go back down there.
Because he should have explained to him like the other guy.
Let's go back down there and we'll figure it out.
Cars out here, they already knew. The last company knew.
Yeah.
That Camaro. Once I tell them.
Yeah. Let's go back there and we'll figure it out.